It's very calming for the nerves, I'll tell you that. If you have a hectic day, it's great to come out and work in the garden and plant things and see things grow and see birds and everything else. So I enjoy my garden. When we go to the front, you'll see the front garden, which is very southern, very layered, very formal. I have a side garden, which I call my rose garden, which is all roses. The backyard is a little bit of formal with the boxwoods and all that. And then behind it, I have iceberg roses, I have hydrangeas, I have peonies, and a lot of the larger plants are deciduous, which I kind of took from my grandmother and my mother.
Yeah, you got some of the kind of old school, but really hardy plants with
They're very
bridal
hardy.
wreath spirea with forsythia.
Yeah, and then that's a burning bush, and of course,
The oak
oak leaf
leaf.
hydrangea.
Yeah, and I like your Boston ivy that you've got covered in different places too.
Yeah, I got ivy on the fence. I love the Boston ivy. And of course, these are daylilies and your creeping phlox. And these are Hillary holly that I really like. It kind of reminds you of a dwarf yopon,
It does, yeah.
but they're indestructible. In the front, I like to do evergreen. At first, the first layer is evergreen, and then the second layer is deciduous. So that way in the wintertime, I have something always green. So that I like to do that as my design theme. I love teak benches, and these are the Chippendale English ones, and they'll last for 40 years or more. So I really do like them a lot. The interior is very equestrian, very English. Almost all the furniture is English. A lot of equestrian prints of horses, and of course there's dogs, kind of Ralph Lauren looking, a lot of his fabrics and stuff like that. And I kind of like a lawn area, so I can, you can do bocce ball, you can play croquet, you can throw a football, whatever, and the dog has plenty of room. And you still have a nice garden on the edge.
Absolutely. So. It's just beautiful out here.
Of all the plants in the garden, I like all of them, but I believe my Katrina rose behind me is my favorite. It really shows up, and it's only 4 years old, so it's a great rose, has no thorns. It really does put on a great show. You can see here where I did the round boxwood balls and then the hedge. And then behind it, I have the knockout roses. And these are white ones. And then, of course, I do flowers in between to give a layered look. I come out in the morning, have my coffee, play with my dog, go pull weeds. It's very good to work out here. I enjoy it very much.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.